Hello everyone. Welcome to our masterclass on Mastering MS Excel. I am Tejas Thakur, Head of Sales Trainings at Kotak Mutual Funds. As you're aware, this series of videos which we are presenting to you in this masterclass, we are going to cover 22 different topics on MS Excel. In the last week, you must have gone through two of our videos, which were on basics of time value of money and rate of returns. In this week, we'll be taking you through two more videos, that is level 1 calculations and level 2 calculations. Welcome to this third video of this 22 video series, which is on level 2 calculations. So let me take you through an example which is stated here. Cost of MBA is 10 lakh rupees today. What would its cost be after 15 years, assuming an inflation of 10% in education? One of the most important parts of TVM is that whatever the client has given you information, that information needs to be put into the right TVM parameters in Excel. If you achieve this first step properly, then your answer, when whatever you do forward, will be perfectly fine. So let's see what has been given to us here. So the cost of MBA is 10 lakh rupees, which is PV or present value. N per year is 15 years. Since it's annual, we'll look at only 15 years. Rate is 10%. Type is 1 because nothing is given. What we need to find is the future value of the cost of MBA. So we will type FV in our cell. Let's do the calculations here. So is equal to FV, short form for future value, bracket open. I'm going to click on FX here. Let me take this to one side. Rate has been given as 10%. So I'm just selecting it from here. N per is 15. PMT is not given. PV is this amount. And type is 1. Now I'm going to use a sign convention in PV, which is going to be minus because it is investment. Even if you don't do anything here, it is still fine. I'm clicking on the OK button. Now my answer is 41,77,248.17. What does this mean? That the cost of MBA, which is 10 lakh rupees today, inflating at the rate of 10% for the next 15 years, will become 41.77 lakhs. Let's go through one more example. Mr. Nair wants to have 10 lakh rupees as down payment for his house 5 years from now. He wants to invest in lump sum in mutual funds, assuming a rate of returns of around 12%. What would be the investment which is required? So here, what are we given? We are given 10 lakh rupees, but that 10 lakh rupees is future value because it is the money which is required in the future. Number of years is given to me as 5. Rate is given to me as 12%. There is nothing given, so type I will take it as 1. I want to find out what investment I need to do today. That means I have to find out the present value. So let's do that here. Is equal to PV, short form for present value, bracket open, FX. Rate is given to me as 12%, so I'm going to select that. N per is 5. PMT is not there. Future value is this, but it will remain plus because it is in the future. Type default 1. Okay. My answer is minus 5,67,426.86 paise. Now remember in Excel, if you get 3 of the things, that is minus sign, red color or brackets. I'm repeating, minus sign, red color or brackets, it means the value is negative. And why is it come negative? Because if I pay or invest 5.67 lakhs today at the rate of 12%, in the next 5 years, I will have 10 lakh rupees as accumulated value. I hope both of these examples were clear to you. These were very simple examples because this is level 1 calculation. We'll go ahead and do level 2 and level 3 calculations also. This takes me to the end of this video. So you can get in touch with us on KMMC training queries @kotak.com. If you want a copy of this Excel sheet, which I discussed today, you can write a separate mail to tejas.thakur@kotak.com mentioning the video which you require. Also, you can save my number, which is 9619510328, and be a part of our broadcast group. If you wish to learn anywhere, anytime, you're already on our channel. So please subscribe to it and click the bell icon so that all further videos which we release will be available to you. Just remember, every Friday, Excel related videos will get released. Every Tuesday, business development videos will get released. Thank you so much for your time. And I hope to see you in the upcoming videos.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.